Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing player 456 from Squid Game. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off near the top and let's draw the eyes. We'll start with 2 lines across. Then underneath, let's draw an angle down. And then a small line down at the ends. Now underneath, let's add a circular curve like this. And then add a circle inside near the top. And lastly, for the eyes, let's add one more curve underneath. Next, we're going to hop on top and draw the eyebrows, starting with the curve across. Then let's bring it up from the center and curve it out on top. Now let's hop underneath and let's start drawing the shape of the face. Let's start on the sides around the same level as the eyes, and let's draw an angle down and in. And then curve it down to the center for the chin. Next, let's hop back inside and let's draw a small curve for the nose, and then upside down curve for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop to the sides and draw the ears. Let's start on the sides of the head and let's draw a curve up and bring it back in underneath. And then inside, let's draw an angle down from the top and a curve underneath like this. Next, let's move back on top and let's draw the hair. Let's start by drawing a curve up and in on both sides. And then on the right, let's curve it up. And then curve it down to the left and back up. Now let's add another one next to it. And then a larger one over to the left and up. And then inside, let's add another curve. And now let's close it off by bringing it over to the left. Now for the top of the head, let's start on the top right and let's draw a curve down to the ear. And then from the top, let's curve it over and bring it down. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw 2 curves down for the neck. And then on both sides, let's draw a curve down, an angle out from the head, and then bring it back in to form each side of the collar. And then underneath, let's angle it down, meeting at a point. Now inside the middle section, let's draw the t-shirt. At the top, let's add 2 curves across. And then at the bottom, we're going to draw the number 5. Let's start with a line across. Then underneath, let's draw a line over, bring it down, and then curve it back over to the right side. And then underneath, we're going to draw a small bump on the left. And that's it for the inner t-shirt. Now let's move back up and let's draw a curve down for the shoulders. Then let's hop in and let's draw a small angle on both sides, and then bring it down for the sides of the top. And then let's add a curve across underneath. Now let's hop in and let's draw some details to the jacket. Let's start by drawing a line down in the center. And then one more on the left and on the right. Now at the bottom, let's draw a curve across. And add some vertical stripes inside. Next, let's hop back in and let's draw a curve down, and the same on the right side. And then inside at the top, let's draw a rectangle on both sides. And then inside the left one, we're going to draw the letter X. And for the right rectangle, we're going to draw the number 456. Now we're going to hop down, and on both sides, let's draw a curved rectangle on an angle for the pockets. And that's it for the torso. Now let's hop out and let's draw the arms. Let's start at the shoulders and let's continue it by bringing it down. And then a small angle in and out. And then curve it down. And then curve it back in underneath. Now at the bottom of each of the arms, let's draw 2 lines down and a curve across. And add some stripes inside. Now inside each of the arms, we're going to draw the stripe along the shoulders. Let's start next to the collar and let's follow that same line down and bring it out. And that's it for the arms. Now at the bottom, let's draw the hands. Let's start with a curve down and up, an angle on the outside, and then curve it back in. And then let's add a few curves at the bottom for the fingers. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the legs. Let's start by drawing a line down on both sides. Then at the top in the center, let's draw a curve down and up, and 2 angles underneath. Now at the bottom of each of the lines, let's angle it out and back in. And a curve across underneath. Now inside the pants, we're going to draw a stripe along the sides. And then at the bottom, let's draw 2 lines down and a curve across. And add some stripes inside. Now at the bottom of the pants here, let's draw the shoes. From the inside, let's draw a line down Then hop out and let's draw a small angle. Now in the center, let's draw a curve out and bring it down for the toes of the shoes. And then a curve across to close off the feet. Now inside, let's add another curve at the bottom. An angle on top here. And then some lines for the laces. And that's it for player 456. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!